Oh, sorry, Miss Zack. Any sign of him?
He's probably flown off the edge of the world by now. You sure you want that kid running the village? You can still delay your retirement.
He's ready. You'll see.
We are the warriors who learn to love the pain. We come from different places but have the same name. Cause we were